Let's say you want to hatch an area within Caddie. Now if you take a drawing like this, it's polylines like mentioned earlier. Sometimes you want to hatch that area, and as soon as you hatch it, no hatch displays. It can either be because the hatch is too dense to display, or the hatch pattern is too big. In other words, outside the area that you want to hatch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my hatch settings. I'm going to choose a hatch pattern to hatch with. Doesn't matter how it looks. I've just made it quite huge and big so that you can see what it does. Once you say OK, because that hatch is so big, if you want to hatch it now, previously it will probably not display that hatch. In Caddie, what we've got, Caddie 18, if I want to hatch inside an area and it picks up that the hatch is either too dense or too large to display, it will tell you that the current hatch parameters have created a hatch which has no visible lines. In other words, lying outside the hatch area. Would you like Caddie to try and automatically adjust these parameters? If I say yes to that, you will see it automatically places hatch within that area. So at least now you've got an option where it displays some hatch which you can go and edit afterwards. It will also ask you, would you like Caddie to update the default parameters to that current value? So once again, you've got the option to update it, yes or no.